Hey everyone, I've got a couple questions on what these gyro discs look like after I did the install. So it's been about 1,000 miles and you can see they look fantastic. Absolutely no rust, very little brake dust actually. You can see a little bit of residue there that's streaking out. We're going to go ahead and clean them and then I'll give you another view. But after 1,000 miles, that's about all the brake dust that's getting in and around the caliper. They do collect quite a bit of dust in these grooves. You'll see that after they're cleaned. But no unusual wear pattern. These are the stock pads that I put in brand new. And they just run silently. I think, aside from better grip, feels grippier when you hit the pedal. Aside from that, they don't make any noise. Zero vibration, and much less brake dust on the same stock pad than with the original rotors. So that's a view of just typical. Actually, I don't think I've washed them in this last 1,000 miles. So let's go ahead and give them a bath, and I'll show you the products I use, and then give you a view of what they look like cleaned up. So I'm really into Chemical Guys products. I use their wheel cleaner. It doesn't remove any wax. This one, unfortunately, the handle broke, and this one, of course, the handle doesn't work, so I'll just transfer it. But this is the product I use. I really load it up on there. I have to. All right, we'll let that set up for a couple minutes. And I power wash it off. I have this power washer. It's I got it off Amazon. It's a great price. I don't know what the specs on it are though, but it produces plenty of pressure for washing, but doesn't it's not too much pressure where you're worried about getting water where it shouldn't be. From Chemical Guys. See, the water is still beating. Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. It doesn't remove the wax. It just removes the brake dust. Anyway, I started using this product, Mcguire's ceramic hybrid wax. The reason why is you can get it all up in the difficult areas. I've been doing this every time I clean them, and makes a huge difference. Really keeps everything much cleaner. And you just have to follow the instructions and use a pressure washer to blast it off. According to the website, it atomizes the particles that are suspended in this solution. It's kind of a thick, creamy stuff, and causes it to adhere to the surface. But this is by far the easiest way I have seen to add a coating of protection on wheels and really whatever it touches. it up with the blower. Use this Milwaukee blower. That's all there is to it. So you can see how just nice and clean, and I mean, they really look fantastic. Caliber is nice and clean, and that's all there is to it. I really like this Milwaukee blower. It has a rubber soft end on it, so you can't really scratch your car with it. But anyway, that is a look before and after washing. And like I said, after 1,000 miles, and I couldn't be happier. These brakes are just fantastic. So as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I thought I'd give you just one more view of what it looks like after I ran it. You know, when you wash the discs, you get that surface rust, and I ran it around the block a couple times, and just get a mirror finish, and you can see the aluminum there is perfect. The rivets where it connects to the rotor is perfect. It's just really, really nice. And just like when they were new. Let me see how far I can get in there. Show you that polished spacer right up onto the disc. So it's fantastic. Very, very happy. Anyway, there you go.